What's up, man? I'm Geldam. Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be an unboxing of Rasasi's Wow. So as you can see, I'm just showing you guys the box, all the labels. You can see how it says Wow in the Arabic language and the Rasasi on the bottom. Now a bit of ASMR with the sounds of the dryer in the background for you guys. Finally done with the unraveling. Now to the best part. What a bottle. I love the color of the juice, looking nice and yellow. Very simple, black cap. Kind of brings a lot of fingerprints though, this bottle. But is it really reminiscent of the Hugo Boss bottle? That kind of sounds stupid. Hugo Boss bottled bottles. Not me right now, struggling to open the damn cap, twisting it. Finally. Wow, okay, that's great. Even the cap is full of fingerprints. I love the Rasasi name branding in Arabic on the bottom of the bottle. Feels very nice in the hand, really cozy, beautiful, simple bottle. Don't mind the lint on the table, it's kind of really hard to remove that, so. Let's test out the sprayer. Oof, pretty strong, pretty powerful. I like that, even the distance. Look at that mist. Look at that mist. Beautiful. Great sprayer. Yeah, this smells really similar to... You really thought I was going to let you know how it smells like? Nope. Stay tuned until the full review. So like, comment, subscribe, and peace.